Today on World Famous Foods, curry beef. Let's do it.
Alright folks, now time to start with our onions, garlic and ginger. Okay, next we're going to add some curry powder. Garam masala. We're going to add a little bit of water. Now we're going to add our seasoned beef. Beef has been marinating overnight. The green seasoning. The link I'm going to put in the bottom of the description. Put the rest of our beef in there. So we added some water. We're going to let this cook for about a half an hour. Okay folks, now we're going to add some more water. There we go. Now we're going to add some tomatoes. Some thyme. Just put all that in there. And my boy Pito's favorite seasoning, bay leaves. We also dropped some more habaneros in there, in addition to what was in the green seasoning. Alright folks, now we're going to add some more water. There we go. Then, we're going to add our potatoes, some bell peppers, and we're going to add some salt. As you know, the potatoes are going to soak all that stuff up, all that seasoning. Alright folks, let's check our potatoes. Hey, look at it. Okay. Here we go. World Famous Foods beef curry. Enjoy.